ACC Adaptive Cruise Control. ACC Adaptive Cruise Control increases comfort in everyday driving situations. The system can maintain a constant speed of your choosing. If your Volkswagen approaches a vehicle in front, ACC will automatically adapt the speed using camera and radar data to maintain your preset distance. If the distance decreases as a result of a vehicle cutting in from the side, ACC will automatically reduce speed until the preset distance has been re-established. Using the camera and the navigation system, your Volkswagen is able to recognize traffic signs, enabling ACC to adjust the vehicle speed in advance. Based on route data, ACC can also recognize bends, intersections, and roundabouts. It will slow the vehicle down accordingly and then accelerate again to return to the preset speed. Even if vehicles ahead come to a standstill, ACC can slow your Volkswagen down and, in conjunction with an automatic transmission, start it up again within a certain time frame as soon as traffic starts moving again. ACC allows you to cover long distances in a more relaxed manner and to concentrate better on the road. ACC is activated using the main switch. To start the cruise control system, press the Set button while driving. ACC stores the current speed and maintains the preset distance. Press lightly on the plus-minus buttons to adjust your speed in 1 km/h increments. For 10 km/h increments, press the plus-minus buttons firmly or perform a vertical swipe. The distance to the vehicle in front can be adapted. Use the Distance button for step-by-step adjustments. Alternatively, press the Distance button once and then use gentle pressure on the plus-minus buttons or vertical swipes. As long as ACC is ready is displayed, your Volkswagen automatically follows the vehicles ahead, even in stop-and-go situations. If readiness to start has expired, you can restore it by pressing the Resume button. You can overrule the ACC system at any time. If you brake or press the main switch, ACC is deactivated. That's how easy, comfortable driving can be with ACC Adaptive Cruise Control.
Volkswagen.